Hello guys, welcome back to this course. In this video, we'll be implementing the logout functionality. As you can see, as I'm clicking the buttons, it's our basic alert that's showing up. So to get rid of that, we need to go to our logout function and implement a basic code. What we're going to do is to delete the token that was generated from our application on the client side, which is we're going to do that through localStorage.remove function, and we'll specify the token. That is where our credentials are saved. After that, we'll do a history.push back to the login page. When that immediately is deleted, it automatically redirects the user straight back to the login page for authentication. Let's give it a try. I log out. I try to use the back button on the browser. It doesn't work. If I try to go to the app, the parent app slug, it doesn't work unless I log in.